We're back. Oh, I'm back. What it do, man? DNWD229. It's been a good little minute. What going on with y'all? What it do? It been about... What it been, about 8 years? It ain't been 8 years. It's been like 6 years? I don't know. I'm out here just vibing, chilling. Chilling on top of the roof. But yeah, man. I was just sitting back. A lot done changed. I was talking to Cal. I'm like, man, I'm about to drop an update video. What is new? We got the C8. We got the Camaro. What's the last car I had on here? I gotta look at the videos. I gotta even see how long it's been. Has it been 6 years? I feel like 6 seems more accurate. But I feel like I had the Z06 last. Yeah, I feel like I had the Z06 last. So I have the C8 now. We got the Camaro, and actually just went lamb chop and got a Urus as well. So we got 3 cars now. I'm sure the channel want to see them. And I just want to tap in with y'all. It's been a good little minute. So I'm gonna cut to showing the cars or whatever. And like I said, I'm just do like a little brief synopsis of each one of them. Just kind of show them or whatever, but I'll probably make a separate video for each one. You know what I mean? Like actually a review. Might even see if Cal will come through. You know, do more long form content or whatever. So yeah. What y'all got going on? Is it 200 the limit? Or 205? But anyway, I'm about to pop off. Whoa, I'm about to pop out. Got a new crib too. Yeah. So really still decorating for real. But you know. Living pretty good out here in the A. Figured I'd show y'all the crib real quick. But yeah. We gonna fast forward to the cars. Is there anything I need to show y'all tonight? Not really. There you go.
This is from the YouTube?
Yeah. I really need to pause that song.
Say what?
I really need to pause that song.
Oh, yeah. I don't think it's gonna matter for real. I think like we really making more content for real.
Yeah. Turn down. Teddy folk, what's up, boy?
What's up, y'all? What's up, YouTube? It's been a long time. I don't remember where we left off, bro.
But I can't even remember how long you've been.
It's been...
I think it's been 6 years. That's what I think. I still haven't went back and looked at the last video.
5 or 6 years.
I think it's been 5 or 6 years. Yeah.
I know it won't look nothing like y'all remember.
Yeah.
I went and watched the videos, bro, like the old ones.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We look too different.
Whole different humans, bro.
Oh yeah, for sure.
All the way around, too.
Oh yeah, for sure.
But it's popping. We still doing good. Everything's still going great. Better, I would say.
Much better.
Yeah.
Much better, for sure.
Going better, I would say.
For sure, for sure.
I wouldn't say I'm back, but I'm here. Y'all can see a little bit of what's going on. My boy D, he gonna be back on there. He gonna be doing his thing with the YouTube, the finance, and all that stuff. So go check him out. I'll pop up here and there, but I ain't really on the YouTube thing no more for real.
For sure. Y'all already know what's going on. About to do that right here. So this is just the current collection that we got, that I got. I went Urus recently, white with the red, and then you already know we had to go. Hold up, wait, here we go. Boom, boom. You know we had to go red guts on them. you know, we had to go red guts on them. I'm sure y'all gonna want videos on this car and content with it. So I'm gonna do that for sure, but this is how we doing it. I still haven't, I've had it for a little bit now. I've just been too lazy. I need to order some mats for it, but I've been too lazy. Super fun, super cool. It's kind of quiet to be a Urus, I feel like. But we fixing that. We already ordered the exhaust for it, so we are fixing that. Like I said, we're gonna do more content with that for sure. This one I've had kind of for a while. This is actually my 4th vet. If y'all know, if y'all OGs on the channel, y'all know I love vets. So this is, I've had the C7, yeah, the Z06, the one y'all remember. Then I got one of these during COVID, actually a very similar spec. And I actually ended up selling that one. Young Thug almost bought it. That one is a whole crazy story, but I actually made profit because this is back in 2020, like when COVID's going crazy. These just came out. You can't get a new one, and they were like charging like crazy over. So I happened to get one in sticker, and I kept it for like a month or two, and then sold it. Used that money to start buying real estate, which has eventually helped me be able to get stuff like this. It's really a whole, I can break the whole thing down for y'all if y'all want that story. But this, the vet is actually very much a catalyst for my financial success, because the money I was able to make when these were so hot helped me get into real estate, and then it's been up from there. So, but yeah, so C7, engine in the back, hold up. Engine in the back, let's see. What I think, oh, here we go. It's dirty now, y'all don't judge me. Also, whatever y'all do not get the cool gray. It is impossible to keep clean, okay? If you're in the market for a C7, do not get the cool gray seats. This mug only got, what, I got like 19,000 miles on it still? And it's a pain trying to keep them seats clean. I definitely regret getting the cool gray. I would've got the blue seats, like the black and blue seats, if I could do it over. Engine in the back. 6.2 liters, y'all know what's going on. If I can get y'all to see, oh, look, let me see. Can y'all see it? Wait. Yeah, those are Corsa cats. So went sport cats, and then went, I can see it up, AWE on the rear. Went AWE on the rear, so it definitely sounds kind of crazy. Of course the camera ain't gonna do it justice, but we're gonna try. So I'm gonna try to, and this is not a cold start, by the way. This is not about to be a cold start. So let me see if I can just get a rev real quick, and yet not get kicked out of this parking deck. So wait. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it knocked the camera over when I did that. Hopefully y'all was able to get that. I think I did one with my regular camera too. But this is the vet. This is the one where I kind of don't know. Y'all know I love vets, but I kind of don't know. Get a good angle of that. Looks pretty good. Feel like I don't know where this one's place is in my lineup. I mean, it's definitely fun. I'm gonna keep it for a while, but I don't know about this one. The Urus definitely staying. This one's definitely staying. I don't know about the vet. I don't know about the vet now. Definitely gonna keep it for a while though, but let me know if y'all think I should just get rid of the vet if it doesn't even really make sense in the lineup, or get something else. I've been kind of thinking about going like M5 or going to, I feel like these two cars are too similar. I feel like they're too similar, but I don't know. All right, anyway, boom, SS. Definitely like the workhorse. This is the one I mostly take to work. this one like paid off. Like this is staying for sure. It sounds amazing. This is the best sounding car that we have. We got, is it Cooks? I didn't have this one so long, I can't remember. What kind of headers do I have? American Racing? I got some kind of headers on this E85, and that I never put in there anymore. I still just put the regular, it's like the flex fuel kit or whatever. And then we got Borla Attack exhaust. Let me get a little rev for y'all. It's crazy loud. They gonna kick me out of this parking deck for sure. I don't know if it's doing it justice, but that thing crazy loud. It's really okay. So the SS is louder. The C8 is louder, like at baseline, like if you're not on it, and when you start it up. Surprisingly, the SS does not really have that loud of a startup. That wasn't a cold start, by the way. Neither one of those were cold starts for any of them. I didn't even let you hear the yours, but it really don't sound like nothing. We'll wait for that to get. The C8 is louder on startup, and if they're both just idling. However, once you get on it, and not to say it don't sound good, C8 sounds good, and the C8 sounds good and is definitely no slouch, but the SS, when you get on it, just sounds crazy and sounds perfect. I feel like the Vet, though it sounds real good, it somewhat sounds like an exotic, like it doesn't have that true V8. I mean, it sounds like a V8, but, and maybe it's because I went with the AWE exhaust, I don't know, but the SS sounds like exactly what American Muscle should sound like. It's perfect. And Calvin can talk about it too, because Calvin has driven all of these. Except the yours. He hasn't driven the yours yet. But the SS, if you're on it, it's crazy. Like insane. The SS sounds crazy when you're on it. But when you're just driving it regular, it really ain't that crazy like that. Also, the tone is just perfect. The crackles are perfect. It crackles and pops. If you get on it in second gear and then just let off, it just sounds crazy, especially when it's cold outside. But let y'all see the cars. I know that's what y'all want to see. Y'all don't even want to see me. I want to see the cars. But like I said, that's just really a little life update. I know it's been a minute. If this gets some views and a little bit of traction, like I said, I'll probably post a little bit more content, definitely, especially as we do stuff to the Urus, because it looks cool now. Yeah, it looks good, but definitely want to go wide body exhaust, you know, make it look like something. Y'all know how I do my cars. The Vet, you already know I did the front splitter. Do I need wheels on the Vet? See, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it, so that's why I don't want to do the wheels. Front splitter, side skirts, wing. You already know we did the little canards and the little Z01 front bumper on the SS. No Z01 badging, no, because I am not a grifter. We just have no badges. No grifting over here, but yeah, so definitely the Urus, like I said, it's the most stock one. You know, we cannot have that, so I'm gonna go wide body. Let me know what color I should wrap the Urus to. What color should I wrap the Urus? That's a good angle right there. Ooh, look at that. That really should be the shot. I should have got them closer together. That's a good angle right there. But yeah, just a little life update. D, Noah Drive 229. Definitely y'all comment, let us know how you been. It's good to see y'all boys and probably a few girls, but yeah, holla at me.